The design of the Howard Miller Hamlin grandfather clock is inspired by royal heirlooms and designed by Chris Bergelin. It is carefully crafted in rustic cherry finish on select hardwoods and veneers. The brushed satin brass finish dial is set off by cast corner and center ornaments, a silver chapter ring with applied brass Arabic numerals, and an astrological blue moon phase with a pierced star pattern. The clock plays the choice of Westminster St. Michael or Whittington chimes every quarter with a full chime and strikes on the hour. The antique style of the grandfather clock is achieved through mirroring the dial. The Lyre pendulum is finished in brushed antique brass with a decorative antique gold finished center disc. The brushed satin brass finished and decorative bands of the weight shells also complement the dial. A high-precision, German-made movement is cable-driven and should be wound up every week. Don't forget to subscribe to Premier Clocks.